Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, SwagnusCarlsen. Let's try a Sicilian. This. Yeah. It's going to be tricky. F5 compromised a bit. What E5 here for bishop E6, is that dangerous? Also rook C2, is this two pieces for the queen? But I mean E5 first. And there's queen A2 after. Two pieces for the queen. Well, E5 first, then rook C2. I can't believe this. Really? Because I get A2. No, there's B3 here, or queen A2. And there's bishop A4 after. So bishop A4 here.
Check.
Surely this is take on D1 before doing anything. Moves his bishop. That's trouble, isn't it? What do I want to? Do I want to take his bishop? I think I might want to take his bishop. Or frame bishop E5. I think I'll take that first. So B2, it's bishop E5. It's simply E5 here. I'll knight F5. Okay, gotta be careful. E6. Knight F5, yeah, could be trouble. Maybe E6. Can I get away with that if I play E5, Knight F5, King G6? There's a check. I go to F6 after. Check, check. I can't see the mate actually. So I wonder why E5 isn't good actually. Because if I get bishop B5 check after and then queen E2, I'm not entirely sure. This bishop B5 and queen E2, I mean it's useful to get the D4 square from mating that. Knight F5, King G6, Knight E7, King G5, Rook G1, King F6.
Check.
Then what? Knight G8, King E6. And checks run out.
Check.
Don't they?
Check. Check.
Maybe not. What about King D7? Okay, it's threatening nasties. But bishop B5 check here.
Check.
For queen E2.
Checkmate.
So wait. Let's see. Yeah, just dropping that C2 is too much. Not usually so easy in the Dragon just to double take on c2. The f5 was compromised. And the engine gives this. Blimey. Rook f, that simple move. I wonder why this is +4. What? Is it because something like bishop b2? No, rook fc8. Have you played this? Oh, bishop takes b2. What? How odd.
Check.
What is all this about?
Check.
What? How strange. Rook fc8. Queen d5. Queen a6. Why can't he just defend? Takes. Here.
Check.
Alright, there's a lot of tactics going on here. I can't believe this can be +3. Really? Is that really the verdict? Knight here. Take here.
Check. Check.
What's gone on here? Unbelievable. So he played this, allowing rook c2. How strange. Just bishop e6. I suppose he's in big trouble. Knight d4, rook c2,
Check.
queen a2,
Check.
queen a1.
Checkmate.
I suppose it is pretty nasty. Okay, somehow it's gone wrong for this position for white.
Check.
It's gone very wrong. Could have attacked on d1. This is still okay. e5 good.
Check. 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 Check.
It's plus like 9. I can't believe this game. How one move from... How odd. I just find it odd. What, I thought I was worse there after the G takes, and all of a sudden... What has happened here? Taking on h5 is better for black, right? I find it strange. I find this strange. Has the knight got to stay there? Alright, so there'll be defense like this. h4, critical defense with h4. That's crazy. So black would have been okay here. Oh, very interesting. Comment some questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.